Hello everyone out there, and today we will see how we can change or rename our existing room in the existing job in Mozaik. So if we look at this in this file, we have the two rooms here which are named, so test room and another one. So so if you go to edit and job, then we will have the option to rename these two rooms. So if we click on rename and see, we can change it to any as per our requirement. So I'm changing it to John kitchen. Okay, and we will change the second one also to some other name. Okay, John bedroom, suppose. Okay, and see, the changes are reflected here. So in this way we can change or rename the rooms, existing rooms in the Mosaic. Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys.